Is your quarry tile floor dull, grimy and impossible to get clean? Are you worried about finding the right company that you can trust to make your floors beautiful again? No problem. Contact Abbey Floor Care. We have the experience, equipment and passion to restore any stone floor. The wonderful thing about a stone floor is that it doesn't have to be taken up and replaced. Its original beauty and lustre can be restored through professional restoration. By hiring Abbey, you can have your stone floors restored to a beautiful, easy-to-clean masterpiece in stone. Contact Abbey Floor Care now for a free, no-obligation quotation.